Here we are, Bergman Family Chiropractic with American Biodental and Holistic Care. Here I'm with
Marty Gish.
Okay, Marty, what did you come down with? And I want you to tell, because a lot of people have chronic conditions. They're given no hope, and they're given the toxic therapies that progress the problem.
Yeah. Well, I came down with a diagnosis of ankylosing spondylitis that I've had for about 10 years. And I refused all the medical treatments. It just didn't resonate with me. And I didn't want to take their drugs because I'm not deficient in their drugs. And it really impacted my life, where I became a spectator, and they scared me, where I wasn't participating in life because I was scared. They told me that my neck and spine was fusing, and it just really frightened the life out of me. And so
what happens is the ligaments literally start to ossify. They start to turn to bone. They lose their flexibility. And the frustrating part is they're going to give non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, Advil, Motrin, Aleve.
Yep.
Okay, and Tylenol is not that class, but it still does the same thing, where it damages the body's ability to protein glycan production. So it literally causes the symptoms to progress. And you're not deficiency in their drugs. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So 10 years ago doing this, okay, what brought you down here?
Well, I've been searching for help for 20 years because I was having chronic pain and just debilitating pain. And I've been searching for 20 years, and I listened to a podcast, Crow 777. And
I've been on there.
And you've been a guest. And
great job, guys.
Yeah.
Great
job. And you were mentioned again by another guest, Fortune St. Germain, who is a relative of the Ascended Master, St. Germain. And he mentioned that you were the only guy that he's seen that actually is doing proper work. And so I gave it a shot. I looked you up, and I got sucked into the rabbit hole of your YouTube videos. And by the grace of God, I showed up here in January, and now I'm back to continue the progress.
Okay, now, can you tell what experiences have you had so far? Because I know we're getting movement in areas that weren't moving before.
Oh, yeah. Well, I'll just say that I feel like a whole new dude. I mean, I'm just loving life instead of being afraid of it. I got movement where I forgot that it was possible. Breathing, I can sleep, resting. I mean, you get over the initial discomfort of these programs that you have us involved in.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, it's just there.
Okay, here, let's blow some minds. Inflammation is a healing process. Inflammation is a healing process. If you can create inflammation at the level of the disc, then the old damage in ligaments, discs, and structures now have an opportunity to regenerate into healthy tissue. Okay, right now, you've got like 5 doctors going, my mind's blown. Yeah, but what you're doing isn't working, okay?
Yeah.
So what can you tell someone? Because you did something that, instead of just acquiescing to the medical religion, okay, whatever you want, guys, I know you don't want causes this, but just give me the drugs. You didn't do that.
Yeah. I refused all the drugs, the biologics. I did take the non-steroidals for quite a while, and it helped, but it just didn't.
With the symptoms.
Yeah, it was just masking, but then it was just still there.
So if you can't get down here, find somebody. Look for the solution, because you kept doing it. You never gave up.
That's what's important, is don't give up, and just trust in God, that know that your body will help you if you help yourself.
That what I tell everyone with a chronic disease, and this is multiple sclerosis, ankylosing spondylitis, Alzheimer's, bowel disorders, you pick the condition. Your body is responding correctly based on the environment. You change that physical, chemical, and emotional stress, then your body can regenerate healthy tissue. It seems too simple.
It's way too simple.
God bless you, brother.
Thank God.
Okay, But don't accept a diagnosis. Find the solution and let your body regenerate. God bless you.